right, hi, Professor. This video is about the game in Lab 3. I call it uh, Tesla his Supercharge. Um, for the first couple of slides where we import all the package that we need, and in here I import actor, clock, and mouse because I added a function that when we click when on mouse down, that's going to be reset or exit the game. Um, for the first actor, it's going to be a cyber truck, so we call it truck, and it's going to be the position of it. And for the second actor, it's going to be a supercharge, and this is for the dimension of the application, 500 times 500. And I also set the time limit for the game. Whenever the time limit hit, the game will stop, and to try to see how much score can a player get during the 20-second limit. The line right here is where I define the reset button, because I also added a function that whenever the Tesla hit a wall, which is the end of the window, the game will stop and basically just game over, right? So and the reset button, a reset button will be shown, and the player can click the reset button to restart the game. I added the reset button right here. And also the same thing with the exit button. So when the player finishes the game, when the 20-second limit's up, the exit button will show up together with the final score and the line times up right here. So the player can exit the game. Right here is where we draw our screen. For the first game, for the first thing, we call it game over by time. So whenever the time's up, 20-second limit's up, the game will stop, and like I said, the final score will be shown. The background, I kept it as pink, and I added a line times up, and an exit button will be drawn. If the game, if the truck hit a wall, there will be another screen showed up with the red background and the sentence right here, bad luck, game over, right? And then reset button will be drawn. Otherwise, when the game's up, when the time is still like in 20-second limit, the game's still functional, and the background will be screen, and the scoreboard with the score counting up will be show on the top left corner, and every time the truck hit the supercharge, score will be added up by 10. Right here we define what happened if the 20-second limit's over. It's gonna be game over, or either game over or game over by time. So game over equal true, or game over by time equal true. This slide right here define whenever a charge is collected by the truck hitting a charge. All right, like I said, whenever the truck hit a wall, the game will be stopped. And down here is just where we define our reset function. Lastly, we define on mouse down position. If game over by wall, if the truck hit the wall and the reset button being hit, the game will be reset. And if game over by time, and the exit button being hit, the game will exit. Right now, I'll try to run the game. All right, going left and right, up and down, right, and then hit the wall. The red screen will be shown right here. So hit the reset button. Back to the game. Running. Hit the supercharge. Yep, 20 seconds is too fast, right? So now the final score is 50. Time's up. Exit. Whenever I hit exit, the game will be stopped. So that's everything about the game.